Hey y'all, I'm Mandy, and this is Mandy in the Making. Today, we're going to be giving my front porch a little makeover. Here's one last look at the porch while it looks pretty sad and bare. When I recently redid my fireplace, I'll link that video above, I took this shelf off and I knew I would be putting it on the front porch. I wanted it on the front porch, but I also wanted it to pop against the brick. With the color that it was, I just wasn't loving it, so I knew it needed to be white. So I picked up this Krylon Chalky Finish Classic White spray paint, and it got the job done.
Down the streets of our home, it's been forever, a long time that I've been gone. The feelings come easy as we're starting.
I know it looks like I'm just going to town with this chalk paint, but I did take breaks in between, letting it dry between coats. I did about 3 coats. It's time to make a greenery that's going to go on the shelf on my porch. Unfortunately, I am not the best at keeping plants alive. My husband is really great at that. I am not. So one of the things I'm going to put out there, or several of the things I'm going to put out there, are fake. I saw this idea on Hannah's Happy Home on her channel. If you've never seen her channel, I'll link it below. But she did this and she did a really great job. So I'm just copying right off of her for my shelf. So I'm going to show you what I got. All of this came from the Dollar Tree. First of all, I got this tin. It just says Flowers and Garden. It's just like kind of like the galvanized metal tin that I'm going to be using. Got a package of Reindeer Moss. I got one floral foam block. And then I got several of these, I think they're called onion grass. Yes, I got several of these. I'm thinking, let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I got 8 of them. So I'm just going to take this foam block and place it inside of the tin to stick the onion grass into. Okay, now that I've removed all of the tags from the onion grass, I'm simply going to start sticking these in the foam. So now they are in here. I need to cut off a few of these strays that are kind of falling out. I'm going to open this Reindeer Moss, and I am going to use some hot glue to do this so that it doesn't blow away in the wind. I like the look of this, but I feel like it's a little too tall, and Hannah had mentioned this in her video as well. So I'm going to trim some of the top down. Now I'm going to start the process of trying to arrange everything on this shelf. The shelf looks larger than it really is, so it's a little difficult, and I'm going to give this like 3 tries, I believe. Let's count. Here was my first try. I liked it, but it still lacked a little something, so I'm going to try and rearrange it. I liked this a lot better, but I still felt like the lavender kind of faded away and needed to be propped up. And I rearranged the bottom one more time. 3rd time's the charm, right? Hey, let me take your hand. We went to the beach this weekend, and while we were there, we were in a shop and I saw that sign, and my husband took it up to the register and bought it for me. There's the finished product. I love how it turned out. Also, I got this plant today at a local greenhouse. I went in and explained to the guy that this spot usually is in the shade. Now this is late afternoon when I'm filming this, so it does get evening sun, but he did recommend that I try Impatience in that pot because it doesn't need a lot of sun. I just wanted to show you really quickly the other side of the porch. I got this from Hobby Lobby last year, but they do still have it. I saw it in the store. And we have these 2 rockers and the table. The table came from Hobby Lobby last year, and on top of it I have just a little lantern that is on a timer. I got that from Walmart last year. The farmhouse sign came from Hobby Lobby, and then Henry the Hoot, yes, I named him, came from TJ Maxx last year. Thanks for watching as I updated our front porch for spring. I hope it motivated you to update a spot at your house for the season. Please give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to see more farmhouse-inspired decorating ideas, and leave a comment below telling me the name of your pet that won't leave your side. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and stick around. Y'all have a great day.